Hey girls, ready to guess what the twin cooling ref can do?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, how many watermelons do you think can fit in the twin cooling?
I love watermelons.
So how many?
7. 1. They're so big.
Okay, let's find out.
Okay. 1. 2. I lost already. 3. 4. 5. It's full already. And the top is a freezer.
Hold on, kids.
What are you doing, Mom? Wow! It's a fridge now. 7. I win! Yay! That trick was cool, Mom. Freezer cool or fridge cool? Any.
Okay, next guess. What do you think is fresher? The grapes that I bought today
Okay.
or the grapes that I bought a few days ago?
The one in the twin cooling ref? Duh, Mom. Of course, the one that you just bought. Yeah, I think so too. Let's find out. What? It's just as fresh as the ones you just bought. But how?
That's because the twin cooling keeps things fresher for 2 times longer.
That's like a double almost. Now I'm hungry for... Where are the grapes? I don't know.
Good job, kids. Did you have fun?
Yes, thanks, Mom.